Jesus Christ. Robert Kiefer. Greetings, everybody. Scooby-Doo team-up number 12. Oh, I want to thank Russell Hall again for turning me on to the fact that Harlequin's making an appearance in Scooby-Doo team-up number 12. I'm a big Harlequin fan, and although I do collect Scooby-Doo, I do. A lot of times I go to my comic shop and I get all my books in a diamond box, and I don't look at the stuff right away. So he alerted me to this appearance, and I was able to get a couple extra copies, and subsequently a few people that I got started in collecting comics that are also fans of her, they told me to get some copies for them. And I said, well, the comic shops are all out of them. They're all sold out. You can get them on eBay. They don't have any eBay accounts, so they wanted me to get some copies for them. And they wanted to pay the $10, $15 a piece for the books online. So that's what I did, and they're happy. But anyway, this is not about Scooby-Doo. This is about a lovely lady, a wonderful woman, who YouTube channel is called La Raza, and she's just a great artist, and I enjoy watching her videos and listening to her talk about comic books, and then especially watching her videos where she's actually drawing sketches and doing her artwork and stuff. And I've been meaning to ask her to do a drawing for me, and I finally got her to do it via a commission, and I just received it yesterday, and that's why I'm doing this video. I want to do this unboxing. And speaking of boxes, my Frankenberry, they just started making these special edition cereals again. Count Chocula, Boo Berry, Frankenberry. But getting back to this, I was really excited to get this. And man, she's just such an amazing artist. I was glad I was able to commission her to do this for me. So let me get this thing open right now. Okay. We'll send to the world of stuff. That's my address there, 22 Twain, Strangeville, USA. 22 Twain Avenue. Wow, she really packed this well. I gotta be careful how maybe I should open it like this. The last thing I want to do is cut into the artwork. I don't think I will, though. I'm very, very careful. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to her channel. She's just a really nice, down-to-earth lady, and like I said, a fantastic artist. And wow, she really did this nicely too. Now that's how you pack something when you buy comic books or anything else. This is really nice the way she did this. Okay, pull this out of here. Oh, okay, I gotta let's put this down here. I got a note from her on a backer board. Let's see. Dear Hans, I hope you will receive this drawing in one piece. Never know how postage will deal with, how the postal service will deal with packages. I want to thank you for letting me draw something for you. I hope that you will like my work, and in the future I could draw something else for you. Believe me, I had a wonderful time doing this, and also learned a lot. Thank you again, Rasa. Wow, that's she's thanking me for letting her draw something for me. You gotta be kidding me. I'm the one that's gotta be, grateful. I can't draw worth of crap. I can draw stick people. And, well, who knows? Maybe one of these days my stick people that I draw will be worth money. I'll become famous or something. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is... I've really been excited about this. I was restraining myself yesterday from coming down here and opening this package because I didn't feel good, and I wanted to make a video opening this, and I wasn't feeling good. And I knew I wasn't going to make a video yesterday, but I almost came down and started to open it, and I had to refrain from opening this thing. So, there we go. Wow, okay. This is, she even used, what do they call it? Masonite. Really hard Masonite as a backer board to protect the artwork. And okay, it's in the envelope now. Great Uncle Bernie writes and has nothing on you, my dear. Wow. Just want to show you this. Look at that. That is just freaking beautiful. Wow. Wow, she's so talented. I always say this when I see people draw, and they're any good, I wish that I could draw like that. But wow, that's fantastic. That is just beautiful. I can't wait to get this in a frame, and I'm going to put it on my wall, probably upstairs, because there's really no room up there, but upstairs it'd be more appreciated because more people will see it too. Wow, thanks so much, Rasa. Thank you so much. And I hope that what I sent you was, that's probably not even enough what I sent you, but I also sent her a set of comics that might prove to have some value to them as well as the cash I had sent her through PayPal. But classic Frankenstein, like classic Boris Karloff Frankenstein, just beautiful. Now I have to handle this carefully because it's penciled and I don't want to smudge anything. So I'm going to put it back in this envelope right now. Wow. That is just fantastic. And I'm gonna, when I frame this, I'm gonna put this in the back of the frame. No, I'll put this in the envelope and put the envelope, attach the envelope to the back of the framework. And then the art will be face front. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link to her channel in the description box, and check out her channel. She's always it's always wonderful to listen to her talk about comics and to watch her draw, and that is just fantastic. And you know, maybe if you're lucky enough, she might, if she's not busy, maybe you can commission her to do a work for you, because she is that good. And again, Rasa, thanks so much, and that was really, really fantastic piece of work. That is really, really beautiful. And I am, you know, definitely got some stuff in mind for you to do for me in the future, and you know, we'll work out whatever price-wise, whatever, we'll all work that out. I'm willing to pay whatever for the nice work that you do. Yeah, let me know when you get the stuff that I sent you, and I want to make sure that it gets there in one piece, because like you said, you can't trust the postal service. You know, they knock around packages and stuff the way that they do, but I did package it very well and very thoroughly, so it's probably gonna be just fine. But let me know when you get it. It's beautiful. I mean, I want to take it out again and look at it, but I'm afraid wow. Just beautiful. Well, don't forget, check out her channel, and I'm almost at a loss for words. It's so beautiful. Thanks, dear. Love you.